Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it. Please let me know if you can hear me all right. And let's start our Power Hour live streaming. Welcome Luigi, a new hunter on our Patreon. Yeah, I know. I just sent you a welcome message on Patreon. Check it out after we finish our live streaming so you know how everything works. Welcome everybody. Emily, Peterban, Gunter. Yes, BBIG got delisted, brother. Hi, bro. Hi, John. So yeah, BBIG got delisted. I know, this is crazy. Anyway, so let's discuss the market. QuantumScape, guys. QuantumScape's doing really alright. 24%. As we discussed in our live streaming, it was a nice breakout here around the 1133, going toward the resistance, the 1369. So QuantumScape doing all right. Look at this. Is getting near a breakout zone and squeeze area. Maybe we're gonna have this next week. Even though we got bad earnings on Wednesday, the price jumped. So I'm watching QuantumScape for the next week hunt around the $16. We got some level to check for QuantumScape. Let's hunt, guys. Let's hunt for the next week and prepare our list. So we got QuantumScape here doing all right for the next week. First support, watch out, guys. First support is the 1133 and the second support is the $9.24. Breakout zone is getting really near around the 1369. So this area we have to watch out for. We need to hold over this area to go toward the 16 and the 19. So QuantumScape, INTC, we have INTC looking really good for the next week. As we discussed it before, guys, we said the 37 is our resistance. You see what's happened here? When we finish our live streaming today, price went there, we got rejected, went down. The good thing is we're still holding over this AMA and over the 35. So this play is still on for the next week, because if we broke the 37 next week, we're gonna have the $40. So this one is a swing trade. Not the $40, but the 39, then the 40.74. So far we have earnings in the pre-market. Yes, pre-market. We got earnings next week in pre-market. So we might have a huge action. Yeah, Monday in pre-market. So this one is on my list to hunt next week because we might have a huge pump for SoFi next week. Watch out, everybody. We got support around the $8.62. We got a breakout zone in this area. So this area, if we broke it next week, guys, is mean game on for SoFi. We're gonna have a huge squeeze toward the $13. Let me just check how much we can do here. 28% for SoFi is doable. Let me just check if we gonna have the 1137 first. Yeah, so this is earning play. We might have 11% or 29% for the next week, as long as we hold this current support around the 7 and the 8. Let me just make it simpler and easier to see. Yeah, we have the support here, this red box, and we have the red box from above, which is our breakout zone for SoFi. I'm watching SoFi very closely. Let me just go on the Jesus watch list. BBIG, yes, here. We got many stocks to watch. Many stocks. Let me just check. IFBD. We have a breakout for this stock. Yeah, QuantumScape, Billy. AURC, crazy, John. I know. AURC is really crazy. AURC went to our profit taking twice. AURC went to our profit taking, the first one and the second one, and now we have a support, John, to hold over the 45, which was our profit taking, now is our support. And we already have a resistance now around this level, around the $60. So the $60 is our resistance, support 45, bottom is still around the 29. This is for AURC, is really crazy, yes. IFBD is kind of, yeah, we have pulled back here. Profit taken should be around the $1.66, and support should be around this area, $1.06. GBNH is still holding the 45, brother John. See with me over this AMA. Nice. The 78 is still our resistance for this stock. Profit taken still around the $1. LIDR held our support. So for that one, we have a resistance here around the 28. Profit taken, let me lower it there. 33. Yeah. We got many levels here, but put some level here. Yeah, this one doing all right. If we broke the 28.50, should be a good trade right now in power hour. TUP reverse from our bottom, the 2.68. Look at this, nice reversal, everybody. 27%. And testing our resistance around the $3.35. What a crazy pump from the bottom. As we said, is not finished yet. Peterban drug. Yes, let me just check drug for Peterban. Drug 18%. Let me just check. We got reverse lit 1 to 5. Okay, let me just take this off. Yeah, we got support here. Resistance is around this level. It's been tested for $1.44. Profit taken is there around $5.74. We got other one around the $7.39. Yeah, those two, then we're gonna update later on. However, watch out, drug looking really good, man. Looking really interesting, guys. Let me just go in smaller picture to see. Yes. $4.44 will be ignition for drug. The volume is light. I don't know if we're gonna have this action now. I don't know. But if we broke the $4.44, we might have action before the market close. The $3.26 is our bottom. Emulan, I'm gonna check it right in a bit. HKD ready to run soon. UPST, one of the stock that's still pumping. Yeah, we pumped from the 57.54. We got support here. So UPST looking good. We have earnings coming up in just 11 days. Let me just check if we got some level to hold here. Yes, another support around the 61. Yeah, we got some support around the 61. Breakout right now is around the 67.49. Yeah, looking juicy. Upstart looking really juicy. We have the 93, we have the 76. Yeah, we have mini profit taken for this one. But yeah, the first one is around the 76.50 and the 93. This is for Upstart. Upstart will be good if we held the first level of support to confirm that, the 61.19. Yes, Royal Ad. You spamming the chat, man. Emulan. I'm gonna check. Wait a second. QuantumScape, we already discussed it. Luigi, now we just responding on our question here. We got mini request. If you have requests for any stock to review for you for entry, let me know. And for entry, we still, if we have a good entry for a stock breaking a resistance or something like this, we'll enter. Otherwise, we'll never force any trade. We already took profit on Nvidia and we exited on the market open. And now we will see which one we should enter. I'm watching for SoFi actually. I'm watching SoFi for entry before the market close because we got earnings pre-market next week and it looked good. But in the time being, just replying on the question in the comment section here. Let me just check Emuland because someone just started to spam our chat section now. Emuland, let me just check. Emuland is down 2% or almost 3%. Okay, so Emuland, we might have double bottom around the 10 cent. So there's two strategy here because we have delisting coming up on 15th September. We have two strategy. Either we buy the bottom. Once we hold here, it would be a good entry if we held over the 10 cent for a reversal. Then we take profit around the 13.90 and the 16.90 cent. So we have two profit taken for this reversal. Or we wait until we have a confirmation. After we break the 16.90, we enter for a profit taken around the 22 and the 32. So there's two strategy for either buying the bottom or wait until we break this level of resistance. BJDX. Let me just check this one. 45%. 45%. Yes. So for this one, we bounced from the AMA. As we said, take profit around the $9.30. Price went down. So for this one, if we want to enter, we have to wait until we have a confirmation from the $9.30. If you want to risk it and enter now, I will be extremely careful, but okay, let me just check if we have an entry here. Yeah, it's barcoding. The support is not clear, man, because last support we broke, then we pumped once again. So I suggest to wait until we break the $9.30 to have a confirmation. Otherwise, we might have a continuation down after the market close toward this box. So it's a bit risky here. That's why we said to take profit around the $9.30. If we broke the $9.30, we have $11.50 as a profit, $13.69 and the $17.46. NVOS, I will check it for you right now. NVOS. We already took a position today and we exited from Nvidia, so it was good trade for today, so we stopped trading. We closed all the trade, brother. Now we take every question, then we check if we're gonna have a stock will jump and have power hour. Otherwise, we don't force a trade. And check the stock that have earning next week. Maybe we have a swing trade for one of them. Let me just check NVOS for you. So NVOS, nope, not looking good here. Is kind of getting near the bottom price around the 10 cent. So yeah, now it's time for a reversal. But you know what? I don't suggest to enter on this kind of price action. You know. It's really low action here, so I will suggest to wait until we break the 21. The 21 will be good reaction and confirmation that the price will go to test this box around the 32, 37. It's better to take our money and trade stock that is ready to pump, you know, because if you buy this one and you be ready to buy the bottom, like you tell me, yes, Jesus, we buy here before the bump. Yes, but we don't know when we pump. This is depend on the news, and I don't like to hold this stock because if I put my money here, I don't want to miss other opportunity. So we have opportunity cost. That's why I suggest not buying here because we don't have action, you know. It's dying here. It's accumulating down and continue to go down. So yeah, we watch the 21. Or the best thing I will tell you, just put alert around the 21 cents, because if it triggered, it means there's action. There's something happening. But now, nope. Luigi, no. We have the weekend. This is the Power Hour live streaming. We do it each Friday. And the good thing that we do it each Friday because we prepare for the next week. So this is good to wrap up our trading day or the trading week on this live streaming. So yeah, this is would be good to answer all the question and hunt for the next week. But we don't do like live streaming to 24 hours, brother. Alvin Siga, of course, brother. Let me just check it for you. Okay, Siga. Let me just check. Of course, got shorted. So for Siga, first we got shorted again. We broke the support. Now let me just show you what's gonna happen because the price actually went down big time. This has always happened when we have this huge pump. We have a selling pressure, not from the short seller, but people taking profit. And guess what? Today's Friday. Usually Friday, a lot of traders close their trade. They don't hold it overnight because we have some news overnight, and this will affect the price. However, for this stock, we have to watch for the $5.19. If we held the $5.19, will be good for Siga to reverse. Otherwise, if we broke the $5.19, I don't suggest anybody to average down or buy and just wait for this bottom around the $3.97. If we held it, would be good for entry. And of course, swing trade and take profit very quick around the $4.70. And wait and see if we broke the $5.19 or not. Because if we get rejected, price will continue to go down toward the $1.92. And this will be short attack one-on-one. Okay, and we have a pull trap here. So this is the confirmation. Either we wait and see if we held over the $5.19 is good. So there's a strategy here. We buy, however, we close the trade if we close below the $5 and never buy until around this level or that level. Okay, and the other scenario, if we held over the $5.19 and we bought this trade, perfect. It means we're gonna have a profit taken around the $6.80, $7.40, and we could actually even ride it toward the $8.45 and the $9.72. So this is the strategy. Right now, looking good for hold up. As long as we hold the $5.19, we'll be good. Luigi, for the next week on Monday and each day we do pre-market update video, not stream. Alvin, you are welcome. Emily, sorry I didn't see your question. We got HKD and BFRG. Let me just check BFRG first and HKD. BFRG broke the support $4.50. Okay, we have the $3.93. Let me just check here. Okay, let me just tell you something about this stock. The support is really not stable here because it's barcoding. The volume is not good. So the support is not stable and it's not good. I don't trust the support here. That's why we broke it and we went down and we went up. So I suggest for this one, never buy it until we have a confirmation for at least volatility for the volume picking up a bit over the 1 million, because I don't like to trade stock like this, like 300K, 500K. Because of that, we have many manipulation. So for this stock, if we actually broke this level, would be good, the $5.86. We're gonna have a huge volatility like this one with this green candle after we break the $5.86, because after we do that, we're gonna have the $6.76, we're gonna have the $7.68 and the $8.90. This would be it, and the $8.90 here, or around the $9, would be the squeeze. So for this one, the current support or the bottom we should hold if we don't want to have a flush is the $3.38. HKD, let me just check HKD. Yes, The same HKD is don't have a current support. The support is kind of fragile here. That's why we broke it here. You see here we have a huge flush here and barcoding. So for HKD, once the price jump, guys, for HKD, it's game over. So this stock, either you buy it around this current support, or you have to be very quick. Once it's pumped, you have to be really quick to enter. So there's a strategy here because the price is still consolidating down. So for this one, we have to put alert, okay? So for HKD, the game plan, we have to be quick. So we have to put alert for HKD to confirm that there is a big buyer coming in, is breaking this flag. Look at this. There's something preparing for HKD, man. It's like AMC. When we discussed it last week, if you remember, guys, we discussed AMC and the price was preparing for jump. We said there's a preparation for jump for AMC. And yeah, we discussed this here. You see? We said there's something preparing. After hours, we have a squeeze almost 100%. I'm not saying HKD will have the same, but we have the same scenario here. HKD, AMC, and mini stocks depending on the news. So if we have news and after hours, we're gonna have a squeeze. Very sure for HKD is kind of dying for news. However, this one is high risk, high reward. So if you want to enter, please put small position. Don't be greedy and put a lot of position. Yeah, you might make 100% in few seconds, but you might lose 100%. So watch out. As we said, just put alert, guys, around the $7.50. Yes, this will be the first signal for a huge kick. Let me just check how much we can do here. 30% around this breakout zone. And the confirmation for a reversal is the $9.30. But just put first alert around this level, the $7.50. And the confirmation for a squeeze and going toward the 12 is breaking the $9.30. So we have the $12.87 and the $14. This is the profit taking if we really squeeze next time. Okay, let me just go on my list that I'm trying to check. XPEV. Oh man, this one squeezed. Oh brother, look at this. This one was sneaky, man. We entered for this one on the live streaming. If you remember, we have this red candle. Ah man, now I'm getting angry. You see, we have sometimes a fake out and shake out from the insiders, man. I'm telling you. Those bastards, man. Those bastards. Look at why. Just tell me why this red candle come here. This is I can't explain, guys. I can't explain. Many years I was trading, and this is make me really frustrated when I see this. Everything was perfect. Then you have this red candle. I don't know why this candle came here. I don't know. Then look at this. Price went up perfectly around the profit taking. This is a good lesson. This is a good lesson. Look at this. Yeah, we missed this trade. I feel a bit FOMO. Okay, good lesson, man. Good lesson. But yeah, it make me really frustrated when I saw this now. Anyway, PEV went to the profit taken. NEO the same pumping. Raven, let me just check Raven. Nope. So NEO and XPEV, we bought it first, and both of them really went higher. You see, NEO broke our resistance right now around this level and went 4%. TLRY, we have a fake out here. AMC, yeah, AMC is as well is in anticipation mode because we have some news about the reverse split, guys. So if AMC have bad news about the reverse split and dilution, we might break the $4.52. So watch out. The good thing, if we have a good news, we have to break this level, the $5.16. Simple as that. Let me just check Nikola. Nikola is getting near the resistance. CVNA. Nope. Aha. OKU. I think we already discussed this one in the pre-market. Hit 2 profit taken actually. Nice. It hit 2 profit taken for this one. Yes, we discussed this in pre-market, I think. Yes. TUP. TUP, yes, looking good for a continuation. We're still holding the support. Let me just go on the power hour hunt. We got GOEV. Some of you asking about this in the power hour. Yeah, for GOEV, we have support here. Let me just check. Man, we don't have any support here. Yeah, we have support, but we don't have clear resistance. For my opinion, we don't have. We have support around the 49.88, so this should be our support. And the resistance is a bit far for this one. Yeah, it's a bit far. Is around 82. So this one we have to break the 82 to have the $1 and beyond. And the support that we have to hold if we don't want to have a new low before below the 40 cent is the 49.88. ATER we got, oh man, we got rejected and going down once more. So for ATER, yes, the $1, man, we have to break the $1 to have action, otherwise we're gonna continue to go down. This one IX, yes, might be good because we kind of break the pattern here for this bearish pattern. So yeah, looking good for a continuation if we broke this level around 1,000 something or 10,000. Yeah, so hopefully is it the right ticker symbol. Yeah, we got some support for this one to hold over the 7,600. It's a bit far, so we have another support here around the 9,000. Yes. Mara, we have Mara question or marathon. So for that one, we have the 1963 as a resistance. Support or bottom is around the 1289. Let me just check here if we got something. Yeah. We don't have strong support, man, except for the 1289. So here we got some kind of trending down trend here, bearish trend, you see? Because if we go crypto, we see that crypto is kind of trending down. Yeah, you see, we have a bit of sell-off here. So if Bitcoin went below the 28,000, as we said, we might have price action for Mara going even lower and going toward at least the 1289. So that's why I'm watching Bitcoin closely for Mara. Next time, if we broke the 1963, we're gonna have the 24 for Mara. Okay, so now let's start our focus on the stock that have earning next week. Attila, we checked AURC in the beginning. Luis, yes. Yeah, I know. AMC, we already discussed AMC. We said it might run as well because where's AMC? Yes, Luis, yes, AMC might run because it's still holding currently over the $4.52, but we might have a flush as well, so watch out because we might have a news about dilution and going toward the $3.22, and here should be the bottom if we have a flush. Let me just check how much if we flush down, 20 or 30% down, so watch out. If we broke the $5.16, game on for AMC. AURC, please guys, come early next time. Come at the beginning of our show, because I don't want to reply the stock that I already talked about, you know, because AURC and the other stock we already talked about, and we talk about the support for them. So for AURC, we have the $60 as a resistance. Support now is broken, kind of. Yeah, we kind of broke the support. Yeah, we kind of broke the support here. Yeah, we kind of broke the support. So we have a weakness for AURC. Okay, we'll put the support now around the 29. So we have the support that we should hold for AURC is over the 29.90. If we held the 29.90, we're gonna have maybe even the 100 next week. So watch out. The resistance that we have to break is the 60. SONN. SONN, 4% down. Let me just check this one. Luis, what's you hunting? Luis, what's the stock on your list, brother? What's the stocks on your list? Let us check them together. Okay, so for this one we have the 29. Again, this one light volume, so the support is not confirmed. Okay, the support is not right 100%. Okay, so when I check some stocks, guys, let me just tell you the truth. The stock that have high like high volatile or have light volume, the support is not strong. It can't be broken easily. So I'm just telling you to make sure to be ready for this. Don't make 100%. So some stocks have confident almost 99%, and some stocks have just 10%, you know. So I'm just telling you just to be to know that the stock is kind of dangerous. Yes. Okay. So we have a resistance here, 54. Support kind of is around man, we don't have support for this one. It's crazy. Yeah, around the 29. Yeah, 29. So it's 29. We should have a reversal now, man. This is it for the stock. 54 is the resistance. We got profit taken here, $1.10, profit taken there, 75. It look really dangerous, man. It look crazy, this one. TRK is moving. Man, we have to go back to our stocks that have earnings. So I will just check this one, then I will go very quick to our stock that we should hunt for the next week. This one have a resistance around the $3.13 TRKA. Yeah, then $4.25, $5.48. Okay, let me just go back, man. We have PayPal have earnings next week, so watch out for this one. Okay. Okay, PayPal looking good for a swing, $75 earnings next week. So if we have good earnings, we need to hold the 69 and go here 78 and maybe even the 88. So I'm watching PayPal, guys. If we have good earnings, we might have a good action. Last earnings, we got a huge sell-off, huge 21%, because we got good earnings. Now we might have some good action for PayPal. Okay, so we got PayPal is about to break the 75. Oh man, this is really good. Wow, really good. We have a support here, 71. Someone really bought big time around the 71, 81, 82. So I will put those stocks here that we should hunt. I will put PayPal, have earnings in just 5 days. I think will be on Wednesday. Yes, I think it would be on Wednesday. Yes, I think it would be on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday after hours. No, PayPal, Wednesday after hours as well. And Unity, Wednesday after hours as well, after 5 days. Look at this. We have the 45. We bounce from this ascending channel, looking good as well for a swing toward the 74 and the $50 after the earnings next week. So this is the play for the next week, okay? Next week play is PayPal, Unity, Amazon, looking good. We have the earnings in Thursday, I think after hours. Yes, after hours Thursday. So we can wait for this one, of course. For Amazon, we have to hold over the 125.95 before the earnings to confirm a continuation and break over the 136. Profit taken should be around the 146. We expect 10% for this one. AMD looking pretty nice. First signal for something going on for AMD if we broke the 115. And the earnings, I think, is Tuesday. Yes, after hours. So if we have a good earnings, guys, we have to break the 122. This will confirm everything. And holding over the 109 or even better 103, this is the bottom, guys. 103.53. This is the bottom. If we held this area before the earnings, 99% chance for this jump will happen easily toward the 133 at least, and then we might have the 162. Okay, so this is really critical right now. I'm just telling you guys, this is really critical. If we held this area before the earnings, this is game on. This will confirm that the market maker actually buying right now for AMD. SoFi, this is the only one that we have on our list that have earnings next week in pre-market. You see, as we said, we have the $8.62, $7.79. This is the bottom. The same as for AMD. If we held for SoFi, this box is mean game on. It's mean game on. And the confirmation that SoFi have a good earnings and we're going to have a continuation is breaking this in pre-market for SoFi. And usually, we're going to have this jump around like before the market opened by 3 hours. It depends. Depends on the earnings when it will come up. But the earnings here is pre-market in Monday, but is not confirmed when exactly. So we might have a market gap. If we have a market gap for SoFi over the $10.13, game on is mean the price will go toward the 11.37 on Monday. Okay, let me just check something, guys. Let me just check something. Okay, let me just check something. We got Friday, Monday. Okay, so we got on semiconductors. We got this one on. We got SoFi, of course, is here. IMGN. And okay, let me just check all of them. We got on, we got SYM, and we got AER, we got L, we got BSAC, we got SoFi, we got IMGN, I think I know this one, APLS. Okay, we have wait a second, AER. We have to be quick. We have just 15 minutes left. Let's check on this one already. Pumping, man. Okay, this one is all-time high already. Okay. The other one is SYM. Maybe this one, if we hold over the 37, we might have action. Yeah, this one on the huge run, man. Huge bullish run. We might break this level, the 53, next week. We might have a pre-market gap. Oh, 22%. But I will keep it just in case. AER, let me just check this one. What's going on at this one? Nope. This one. Nope. This one. Nope. IMGN. Whoa, man, look at this. We already jumped on 1st of May. Huge pump. Yo, guys, this one mean business. IMGN. IMGN. Man, there's something happening for this one. Okay, this one, guys, we spotted a winner here. We spotted a winner. 20%. We might jump. Now 6%. This one is crazy, brother. Whoa, 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 whoa. This one, man. Okay, this one high risk, high reward, okay? This one high risk, high reward. I got you. Okay, let me just check. Okay, we got something here, guys. We got something. We got IMGN and SoFi. IMGN. Boom. PayPal is Tuesday, so I'll keep it later, next week. SoFi. Okay, we got two. We got two. IMGN. Let me just put this one here. Okay, looking juicy. This one looking juicy, but is high risk, man. Because we are around the resistance. Exactly. Exactly. But this time we have different story, brother. Look at this. We have huge earning last time. 35% suppress. 129 suppress in revenue. Look at this. We already jumped almost 137%. Okay, so this one I'm looking, guys, for a pre-market hunt. I think, yeah, pre-market Monday. Pre-market Monday. Okay, so yes, let me just check how much we could risk here. This one, yeah, big man. This one is really risky. Boom, 1750. Boom. This one looking good. We have support here, 1750. This one, APLS. No, not good. Okay, we got IMGN and SYM maybe. Let me just check. No, not good. Okay, so we have two, guys, IMGN and SoFi. SoFi, I have some kind of feeling, yeah, we're gonna have something for SoFi next week. You know what I'm gonna do? IMGN, I will open two trade for IMGN and SoFi. Okay, IMGN and SoFi. Watch out, guys. If you want to enter in those two trades, you have to be like first willing to risk losing for this one at least. Let me just check. At least 11% for SoFi. At least. Let me just check here. 18%. Okay. However, the gain for both of them, for this one 20% and 35%. IMGN, let me just check. Yeah, 22% and 50%. So this is what you're willing to be risking here. IMGN looking better because the support is kind of near. At the same time, the gain is way better. However, to maximize your chance to win, you have to have like diversification, because both of them have pre-market next week on Monday. So we have to be extremely careful here, because in the earnings, sometimes we have bad earnings and the price go down. Even if we have bad earnings, sometimes the price go up. So we have a huge volatility on Monday in pre-market for both of them. We might even have a gap. So if you don't want to trade them, and if you don't be willing to risk, because this two trade is a bit risky, I'm just telling you. Even if you want to swing trade those two stocks, is a bit too risky. It's not like the other stock that we hunted, INTC. Yeah, it's kind of risky to hunt INTC, but not that risky, okay? Because the jump that we did today, it was good, 7%. And even if we went down, it's not that much. It's just 5%. So it's not that risky. That's why we said it's a swing trade. For those two, it's different story. Those two can actually jump big time. So that's why I suggest, if you could exit from the trade in after hours and pre-market, okay, you can actually trade this one and swing trade them. Because sometimes one of our hunters tell us that they can actually open a trade and or close the trade in after hours and pre-market. If you can't, don't trade those stocks, because it will be really hard for you to exit if there's something happened. If they broke the support in after hours and pre-market, you can exit, So watch out. Make sure that you can actually close the trade in after hours and pre-market. Okay, so after clearing this out and told you the volatility and the risk for those two stocks, okay, now I will open a trade here for IMGN. Let me just check. Yeah, now we enter for this one. For SoFi, let me just check again for SoFi if it is good or not. Yeah, for SoFi, I don't know, man. I don't know for SoFi. Yeah, we have this flag. You see, we have a flag forming. Anyway, I'm gonna open a trade here. Again, this is not a financial advice, guys, okay? Boom, we entered around $9.52, and this one around the 9. The other one is around the 1967. Okay, we got just 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes on the market close. 10 minutes, just 10 minutes on the market close. Let me just check again. IMGN. What a crazy move, man. Okay, IMGN. Immune gene. REVB. Not good, brother. This one broke the support and continued to go down to have a new low. Not good, brother. This one, if you want to enter again, just check the $1.28. Otherwise, it will continue to go down to the depths. To the depths, this one. 2UP, I don't suggest to hold overnight this one because it's really volatile. Yeah, this one is really volatile, man. It's not swing trade. Yeah, the support, the bottom, as we said, if you want to day trade this one, just watch out for the $2.68. As long as we hold here, we are good to go to break this level, the $3.73. If we broke the $2.68, watch out for short. Just short the stock, man. We're gonna have a huge short open to test the $2. So if we broke the $2.68, game over. At least for the day, if we broke the $2.68. It's really simple. TUP is straightforward, man. BGLC. BGLC. BGLC, yes, BGLC. This one kind of got rejected. Yes, $3.78. We have a support here. Yes, sir. Yeah, we got support here. $2.65. Aha, this one looking good. Really, this one looking good. I like it. You know, sometimes I see a stock and I like it, you know, just from the trend, and some stock I don't like them. Look really ugly, you know. So this one look a bit beautiful. Okay, we have support $2.65, resistant $3.78, profit taken $4.63, $5.44, $7. Okay, this one's looking good. I'll put it up. TUP looking good as well. Put it up. IMGN as well. I'm gonna watch this one next week pre-market with SoFi. AMD will watch for the next week hunt. Amazon as well. Unity as well. Yes, Unity looking good now for a breakout. Unity, we have 5 days. 5 days for a good hunt for Unity. If we broke this resistance, maybe I will open a trade for Unity around the 45.56. If we broke it before the market close, this would be signal for enter, for a good entry. Otherwise, I will not enter. Let me just check how much we can do here. 3%. Yeah. I will watch for Unity and SoFi. SoFi, man, is still, yes. Look good, it look good. If we broke, man, the $9.75 now would be really good. But always this is the case. Never happened. Like, we don't have a confirmation. This is the idea. You know, we don't have a confirmation because we have the pre-market, man. We have earnings. That's why we don't have a confirmation. If we have insider news, we'll see that price will break before even the earnings, because some people know the news before it came out. BBIG is an OTC market, and we suggest that it's not good for entry now. Luigi, if you don't have confidence, of course you never open any trade. Always have confidence, and as we said, we already calculate our risk, you know, so if the price went down, I'm gonna take the risk. BJDX, yes, BJDX, man, we already discussed this one many times. BJDX, we already discussed it in the beginning. Let me just check. Doesn't move, man. There's nothing. As we said, nothing happened. Below the $9.30, nothing happened. Monday pre-market, of course, we're gonna discuss on Monday pre-market, of course, not today. But if Monday we opened here, game on. Otherwise, we gonna have barcoding. Okay, Unity, SoFi. Let me just check Unity again. Yeah, Unity is about to break, man. 45.56. It's about to break here. As I said, if we broke here, I'm enter, man. I'm gonna enter. But you see what's happened. You see what's happened. There is no entry. It's really hard to enter, man, because we don't have a breakout. I really hate it. Sometimes we have this kind of breakout before the market closes. I really like those kind of breakout. But I think the market is hard today. Doesn't want to give us free money, you know. Anyway, the most important thing, never complain. Never ever complain. Tesla looking good, 4%. Interesting. Palantir still pumping. Palantir, let me just check Palantir. Yeah, Palantir looking good. Unity is about to pump here. PayPal next week, guys. It will be a good trade, as we said. If we broke this level 75 before the earnings, would be a good hunt. We have to be ready for this trade, man. QuantumScape as well, looking pretty nice. INTC looking really nice for the next week, $37. Yes, next week will be good, man. Next week, I feel it. DKNG, let me just check. CVNA, plug, UPST, let me just check UPST. Nope. Yeah, we getting near this breakout. Meta looking really good. We have a bit of resistance here, but not bad. Raven is still good. AMD, let me just check very quick. Netflix doing all right. It's about to break this level. Okay, not bad. Let me just go back and check SoFi. Yes, man, SoFi, if we have a breakout, man, it would be crazy good. Let me just check. Okay. Are you kidding me? Oh man. This is great. Really great. Anyway, the market closed, man. Market closed. Anyway, guys, good hunt. We're gonna discuss all those stocks next week on Monday. BJDX will be one of them, of course. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend. And yes, until Monday.